Bandit's first reaction to catnip. What you doing, buddy? Do you guys have nip? Do you got nip? What you doing, buddy? You got nip? I think somebody's a happy kitty. I've never seen him act like this. Did somebody got nip? Do you got catnip? Do you got catnip? Do you like your catnip? Hmm? Do you like your catnip? What you got? You got kitty nip. Licking it off your paws now. He's never had catnip before, and I just got him his first bag, and yeah, I think somebody's happy. And maybe a little high. Are you high? Squeaker, you got catnip? You got catnip, Squeaks? Yeah, somebody's happy. Not only did I get him catnip, but world's strongest catnip. Oh yeah. Well, I think somebody's done his first little gain up. Look, a Christmas tree. It's a pretty Christmas tree. Alright, Bandit. You say bye-bye? Say bye. Bye.